Hello guys, in the last class we studied regarding the electric current. Okay, so today we are going to discuss certain measurements which are related to the electric current. Okay, it is a very short concept but it is very compulsory to understand it in a very better way. So let us say I is denoted, that is electric current. It is given by Q by T. So where Q is a charge and T is a time. Okay, so here the Q charge, okay, this charge is there, no? So the SI unit of charge is coulomb. The SI unit of charge is coulomb, SI unit. Okay, it is a coulomb. So the 1 coulomb will be equal to the flow of charge of 6 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. 6 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. This is the charge or the SI unit of a coulomb. And we know that T, the SI unit of time is seconds. Okay. So we can write I is equal to Q by T, and the SI unit of I, that is a current, will be coulomb per second, or we can also write as ampere. It is discovered by a scientist named after her. Ampere. Okay. So the ampere is a SI unit of current. Coulomb is a SI unit of a charge. Second is a SI unit of a time. The ampere, when the current will be of very small amount, the ampere is also expressed in terms of microampere as well as milliampere. Microampere as well as milliampere. So 1 microampere, it is represented by 1 microampere, and 1 milliampere will be equal to 10 raised to minus 6 ampere. 1 milliampere will be equal to 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. 10 raised to minus 6, 10 raised to minus 3. Then to measure the current, okay, to measure how many amperes of current is being produced, we have one device named as ammeter. So what is this ammeter? Ammeter is a device which is used to measure current. Sorry, current. I represents current. To measure, I will write here current. Okay. Then, so here ammeter in the circuit is placed after the switch. Okay, it is placed in the circuit so that it measures the flow of the current, how much current is produced. So this is a device used to measure the current, ammeter. So this is regarding the brief introduction regarding the units of measurement of the current as well as SI units of charge and the time. Now let us discuss a very small problems related to the equation. So let us say if Q is of 2 into 10 raised to 8 coulomb, okay, then T is of 10 seconds. What is I, or what is the rate of flow of charges? So what we have to do? I is equal to Q by T, that is 2 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 10. So we can solve it simply. 2 into 10 raised to 8. This 10 when you take up, 10 raised to minus 1. So here it becomes 2 into 10 raised to 7 ampere. Okay, this is the flow of current. Next, they may ask, when the flow of current is 10 ampere and the time given is, we can say, about 8 seconds, what is the charge? So for it, what we have to make? We have to consider this equation Q by T, then solve for Q. Q is equal to, T will go this side, so it will become multiplication I into T. So I is what here? 10. Then time is 8. So we can write AT coulomb. So this is how we will get the problems based on to find the Coulomb, to find the charge as well as to find the current, as well as sometimes to find the time also. Sometimes they will be giving this in milliampere or microampere, where we have to convert these charges. Right. Now, this is about the electricity. This is about the electricity as well as the charges, the brief concept of the charges. Why I am not explaining the further concept? Because if I explain this, it will become half. So I am explaining this very small concept in a very short time. So why? Because this is very, very important concept. If you don't understand this, it will confuse you further. That is why this is a very short session but very important session. Please note these all things which I have written on the board. Let us meet you in the next session to solve further more important problems. Until that, please do memorize it. Please do practice these things. Okay. Until that, have a nice day.